Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. In this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to improve your skills on coding, to give you a hands-on experience on building projects. So this is weekend 30 and let's get started. So this is basically a SQL project. So the first challenge says we have to find all the users. We have a table users and we have to find all the users whose email address ends with .edu, that is educational email address, and we have to sort it in the ascending order of the user ID. For example, if the user ID 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, it should be in the ascending order. Let's see the query. So what all do we need is user ID, name and email of that particular student. So select user ID, name and email from users table, where, now this is the most important part here, where email, like, now what is this percentage sign mean? Percentage.edu. So percentage, basically it can be anything before, but it should end with .edu. Alright, if the percentage comes here, that basically tells it should start with .edu and end with anything. So this in this particular case, the percentage is before that .edu, so it is basically, it should end with .edu and order it by user ID in the increasing order. So let me submit the program. Alright, so you can see all the user ID in the ascending order, it is being displayed, and with the name and the email ID, you can see all the email IDs would be ending with .edu. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.